Hi, my name is Melissa from the Ceramic Shop, and today I'm going to be talking to you about layering glazes. The best advice to layering glazes would be to test. That's really the best piece of advice I can give you. With each test, you'll discover how the glazes react to each other and how they react in the kiln. And even with extensive testing, you're not always going to get the same results, so you just have to learn to live with it. When testing glazes for functional pieces, especially vertical ones, you want to use vertical test tiles. So we made this one a few weeks ago in a video. If you did not see that one, you can click on this test tile and you will be taken to the video on how to make test tiles. You should apply glaze to your test tiles the way you plan to apply glaze to your finished pieces. For example, if you plan to dip your finished product, then you should dip your test tiles as well. When testing a single color, apply 3 coats, but stagger them so you can see how the glaze looks thicker and thinner. Glazes are made up of various chemicals, and sometimes they have adverse reactions to each other. For instance, zinc and magnesium tend to not like each other when mixed, and they can cause your glaze to crawl, stipple, or even bubble in unpleasant ways. Glazes will also react differently in reduction and oxidation fires, so that's something to keep in mind. It's also why you should test first. You need to remember that glazes are not like paints. You can't just mix blue and red and expect it to come out purple. For instance, I'm dipping this piece in both tomato luster and powder blue, but it is not going to turn out purple. And make sure you're not applying it too thickly. You don't really want the glaze on any thicker than the edge of a credit card. You can keep a notebook and write down detailed notes, but to kind of get the nitty-gritty of like which tile's which, we suggest using something like this. This is a China marker. Also use an Amico underglaze pencil. They're very good for that. So what we can do, right on here, so you can write notes right on here, and you can tell that I put Tidal Pool and Magic on here. Alright, so we're just going to have to see how these folks turn out. So, see you tomorrow! Alright, so I ran the test kiln last night and I got a bunch of our test tiles back. So, here are a couple. You can go ahead and check the rest of them out on our Facebook. I'll be posting photos later today. Okay, well, I hope this has inspired you to go out and test some of your own layering. Links to everything used in today's video are also in the drop box, as well as a bunch of other stuff, so don't forget to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Ceramic Shop Demos.